Hey guys, on this video, I'm going to share with you on how to create a Facebook event banner. So if you're ready, let's begin. So in this video, I'm going to easily share with you on how we can maximize the Canva design template super easy. So the first thing is you need to have a Canva, either a free one or a pro account. Regardless of your subscription, you can easily create this. So simply go to create sections. Once you're in the create section, simply type Facebook events, and you will have here Facebook event cover page. So just click that one. So you will be provided by Canva an exact size for this one. So now let's edit this. I'll just remove this. Okay, let's edit this. Simply go to the design. Since I'm going to create a Facebook event banner for Kabayan Sports League, I'm going to type here basketball. Okay, so Canva will provide different suggestions. So here I'm going to, try to select this one. So you will have this design. And there will be other suggestions as well, like this one, their final game. You can have this one as well, right? So now let's say I want this, right? So I want this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to revise this a little bit, that is relatable to the brand that we're going to create. So for this purposes, I'm going to build or create a Facebook event banner for Kabayan Sports League. So, all right. So the first thing is we're going to create a Facebook event. So let's go to our Facebook page. Simply go here and then click Facebook page and then go to events. So you will see here events. And then once you're in event, I want you to create event over here. All right. And then once you're here, type the title. So KSLA. Here you go. Then create event. All right. So that's how easy to create a Facebook event. So the next thing that we need to create is the banner, which is the main purpose of this video, right? So we already have this event, Sunday, August 10th, 2025, 8 in the morning. So this is the name, this is the address, and we don't have the banner yet. Now, just to give you idea, if this is your first time to create a Facebook event on Facebook, the banner by default is your Facebook cover page. So if you created an event and you don't have a Facebook event banner, by default, the banner will be your Facebook event, a Facebook page banner. So like this one, this is a Facebook event banner. If you go to the event section, it will be the same thing. Okay, so by default, it will use the Facebook banner. Now, what I'm going to do on this video, as I promised to you, is I'm going to show you how easy to create a Facebook event using or maximizing the Canva template. So let's go back here. This is the template that I'm going to use. It's a football, but the event is a basketball. So simply click this one. So delete the image or the model, I say, right? So there's two options here. You can say basketball, type basketball player, and there will be several options that you can use. You can use graphics or photos. So you can have this. Let's say, for example, you just want to remove the background, and you have another model over here, or probably you can use this, okay? And then just remove the background, drag this one, and you have a model. But for this scenario, I already have a photos of Kabayan Sports League. So I'm going to go here and look for KSLA folder. So here you go, KSLA. and folder. So I already have some photos over here that I'm going to use. So for this video, I'm going to use this. Okay. So I'm going to use this. So maybe I'll just use this one instead. All right. I think this one is okay. Just flip this to the horizontal. So yep. All right. So this one. So now I think we are good. So we already have a photos. Now we're going to change this into the title. So gentleman. Okay. K I'll say. Just download this. So once we downloaded this, we will go back. Once we download this, we'll go back to the Facebook event. Okay, refresh this. See where it was okay, and click edit. Okay, I'm going to edit this. Okay, edit, and then edit image, upload, and then double click, and here you go. You have now a Okay, so you already have now a Facebook banner for your Facebook event page. So that's how easy to create a Facebook event. And there's a lot of Canva templates that you can edit, maximize, make a little bit of tweaking or editing. So that's super easy. So here you go. I have now created a Facebook event banner. So that's it for today. Thank you so much and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Social Media Expert. If you want to start to own and manage your own agency, marketing agency, using an AI, follow for more. Follow me, follow Social Media Expert.